Hi everyone, Chris Harry here with Trading with a Trend. I had this stock on the long list for trading on February 16th, 2016, and this was a setup that I saw prior to today. So the stock was moving down in your kind of classic stair-step pattern, and after making this low here, it bounced and then pulled back, made a first higher low, and then kind of just chopped around a bit, and there's another higher low in here. And on this day it actually powered up to close near the highs here, very close to these highs here. And this is the type of setup that I could see it on the next day powering up to this previous high here. If it's able to break this high, then you might get one of those really big days that you hope to catch. But certainly after a close like that, it could power up into this 28 level, which is still $2. That's $2 in here on a $26 stock. So certainly some room to catch it if it does get going. And this is what it actually did on the day. So it actually opened, gapped up, opened here, pulled back, and then shot up into these highs here. So let's go to a smaller time frame now and see how you could have traded it. So we'll go to the 5-minute now. The stock opened up and pulled back with the market, powered up, and did make a new high right here, and then pulled back. And this right here is your your first quality entry here. Look at the volume on this pullback. There's no big volume indicating a larger sell-off. This would be a possible entry right here on this green candle above the high of this red candle. So the high here was 26.41, the low here was 26.30, so you're looking at 12 to 15 cent stop if you took that right there. And from that 26.40 it went up to a high of 26.97 before pulling back. So certainly a good move to be taken right here of about 50 cents or so that you could have taken right there, which is about all you'd be looking for on a stock this price on a 5-minute time frame. And then actually had another possible entry right here. We had the high here of 26.97. It pulled back here, and then just kind of tightened up and traded really tightly in here. Tried to make a couple of lows, and you had to get another higher low here and another one right here, so it couldn't make it lower. And very tight in this range right here, and as soon as it made a new high, it shot up another 40 cents or so, actually about 60 from this pivot low here. But if you were to take it above the whole number of 27, it did another 36 cents before this red candle started to form and so on. So one entry right here for that move, and then one entry right here above $27 on this candle for that move right there. And that second one corresponds to these candles right here, these three on the 15 minutes. So after it made a pretty good size move up, looking pretty extended on the 15 here, but you get 1, 2, 3 bars of consolidation. Look at the size of that candle right there. Like, this is a very tight candle for a 15-minute chart. And when it made a new high on above 27 here, it shot up, and if you had trailed it out on this time frame, you would have gotten around 40 cents here. And on this time frame, it did actually have that one last final push up here for another 40 cents right there. But the nice trades that I see are this one right here and this one right here, which corresponds to that 15-minute that we're just looking at. So that's all I have to say about this one. Stay tuned for another monster.